Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make sweet potatoes in coconut milk. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. On today's recipe, you will need sweet potatoes. As you can see in the video, I've cut the potatoes into long pieces. You'll also need 1.5 cup of light coconut milk, a half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar, and lastly, a half a cup of heavy coconut milk. So the first step, you're going to place the sweet potatoes on top of the fire. Then you're going to pour 1.5 cup of light coconut milk. Then sprinkle a half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. And lastly, you're going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar. Then cover to let the sweet potatoes to cook slowly by slowly. You will let the sweet potatoes to cook on a medium heat slowly by slowly till soft. Once you get to see the sweet potatoes are becoming soft, remove the lid and let the sweet potatoes to cook without covering them. If you notice that the upper part is still hard, you're going to turn the sweet potatoes slowly by slowly to avoid from mashing them and let the sweet potatoes to continue cook. Once the stew is less, you're going to check if the sweet potatoes are soft, and if yes, remove the sweet potatoes and place aside. Then afterwards, we're going to cook the heavy coconut milk. In a small pot, add the heavy coconut milk and cook the heavy coconut milk till it becomes more thicker. Stir the coconut milk constantly till the heavy coconut milk becomes more thicker like this, and your heavy coconut milk is ready, and remove it from the fire and place aside. Serve your sweet potatoes on your plates. As you can see in the video, the sweet potatoes are well cooked and they look so soft. Once you've served the sweet potatoes on a plate, lastly you'll drizzle the heavy coconut milk all around the sweet potatoes, and your sweet potatoes in coconut milk are ready to be eaten. And my sweet potatoes in coconut milk are ready. As you can see in the video, these are so delicious. You can eat along with anything that you like and enjoy your sweet potatoes. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.